Good afternoon, it is Monday, September 21st, and on your screen is a live view of the Falcon 9 rocket as it awaits at 7 p.m. GMT daylight launch from Space Launch Complex 40, or Slick 40. I'm Mr. Ferrari 1, I'm a commentator here on RASX, and I'm your commentator for today's webcast. Our payload for today is a Koreasat-5A for Thailand's Alenia Airspace. If for some reason we are not able to launch today, we do have a backup window tomorrow at 60:50. Let's take a look at the vehicle that will launch our payload today. This is the Falcon 9. It's a two-stage liquid fuel. It's a two-stage liquid-fueled launch vehicle getting ready for liftoff. It stands about 230 feet tall or 7 meter tall. The bottom two-thirds of the vehicle is the first stage, and it's designed to be refueled over 10 times with minimal refurbishment between flights. At the bottom of the first stage, there are 9mm engine. They get the Falcon 9 off the ground to the inner part of the atmosphere before separating from the second stage and making its way down to Earth for landing. And this is the part of the rocket that will attempt to recover on ours. Of course, I Still Love You drone ship located at Atlantic Ocean. And
Building process start.
Above that first stage and black inner stage band, there's the second stage. At about T plus 1 minute into flight, the first and second stage will separate, and the second stage will ignite its single MVAC engine that will carry the Koreasat-5A to its intended orbit. The payload is currently safely enclosed inside the 70-foot diameter payload fairing. It's a structure on the very top of the rocket.
Stage 50%.
This protects the rocket it's the structure of the very top of the rocket. This protects the satellites from aerodynamic heating, loads, any kind of contamination that they might experience during descent.
Second stage
Once we reach the
50%.
vacuum of space, we no longer need those fairing halls and
T minus 1 minute.
Second stage orbit. So right now we have startup. This means that the rocket flight computers have taken over the control of the countdown.
Launch directories go for launch. T minus 30 seconds.
As you hear, we have 3 seconds before the takeoff of the Falcon. T minus 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
And liftoff of the Falcon 9 with the Korea 5 satellites, 5A satellites, to a lower orbit.
Propulsion nominal.
So right now, in a couple of seconds, the rocket should go in max Q. This means that the rocket should will get the most dynamic pressure.
Max
and this
Q.
means the Falcon 9 is, here you go, as you can see, the Falcon 9 is now supersonic.
Engine shield MVAC.
And in a couple of seconds, we should have MECO. You should see those 3 events happening, which will be first stage engine shutdown,
MECO.
stage separation
Confirmed.
Stage separation, and MVAC engine ignition. So as you can now see, the second stage engine has started. So the MVAC has started,
28%.
And now the Falcon 9 is getting ready. The booster is getting ready to land on the. Is now re-entering Earth to land on the. Of course, I Still Love You drone. So in around 40 seconds, we should have the entry burn. So the Falcon 9 booster does this burn to slow itself down to get ready to land on
Boost back burn complete.
the booster.
First stage 24%.
Copy.
And in 30 seconds or something like that, we should have landing burn. So this burn is like the final burn that where the booster will land. So let's just watch the landing. Here we go. As you can see, those green fins deploying.
Entry burn is started.
As you can
Go.
hear, burn has started.
Stage 1 entry.
Lost signal as expected.
And this
Landing
first
burn
stage
started.
landing has begun. And here we go. The Falcon 9 booster has landed. Of course, I still love you, drone. Right now, we should be having SECO. This means the
Seco.
MVAC engine will turn off, will shut down. And now in around a couple of minutes, at T plus 15 minutes, we should have the deployment of the Koreasat-5A satellites. So stay tuned and stay with us until we make its orbit. Okay, so right now in a couple of seconds we should have the fairing the payload separation in a couple of seconds. So right now it's here we go, as you can see. Here we go. Farewell, Koreasat.
Sail
As you
flight
can
deployment
see,
confirmed.
and here you can see the sat is deploying its wings. I know it's paddles. It looks like wings. And as you can see now, the sat is fully deployed, like how it was planned. So yeah.